Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix high run CPU time usage blocker error which is happening in Windows 10 and how to fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to go here in the Windows and you have to click on settings, and from here you have to click on system, and from here you have to go to notifications and action. From here you have to go to notifications and action, and from here you have to untick get tips, tricks and suggestions as you use Windows. You have to untick this. Once after that, it will be fixed in most cases and you just have to go back. So you have to untick this, but I'm not having the issue, so I'll be keep it the same. So once after trying this, and this is the first step, and the next thing is all about you have to go to the setting in the same way, and from here you have to go to privacy, and from here you have to scroll down a little bit and go to notifications, and from here you have two options. Either you just have to turn off this complete notifications, you have to turn this off, and also in between you can also do in between that you just have to turn this off, or else it will be one by each options will be there, like you'll be getting one by one notifications, so you can open in between and you can close this up. So these are the two steps. So once after trying these two, and most probably the issue will be fixed, and if it's not fixing then most probably do let us know in the comment section, so we will get back to you and let you know in a new video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.